Hello, today we're working on problems 13 through 15. For problem 13, first we are going to draw out what this looks like. So we start on the right side as always. We've used 4. We need to go another 3. So there we go. Now we'll fill out what this is. So sine of this right here, which is pi over 4, we're going to have a negative root 2 over 2. Cosine is going to be root 2 over 2. Tangent will be negative 1. Cosecant will be the reciprocal, so 2 over, or negative 2 over root 2. Secant, reciprocal of sine, so 2 over, of cosine. And cotangent will be the reciprocal of tangent. For problem 14, again, we're going to draw this out. Start on the right. We're going down because it's negative. We make it halfway around our half circle. So right here. That means that to go right there, we're going to have pi over 2. Sine of pi over 2 in this area down here will be negative 1. Cosine will be 0. Tangent will be that negative 1 divided by 0, so undefined. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so it'll stay negative 1. Secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so it'll be 1 divided by 0, which is undefined. And cotangent will be your cosine over your sine, so that'll be 0. Next, we're looking at problem 15. So for problem 15, we have to remember that we're going to act like this angle is in quadrant 4. So that means that we're going to have to solve for what this last side is. So this is our hypotenuse. This is our adjacent side. We need to solve for that opposite side. So we'll say 1 squared plus b squared equals the square root of 7 squared. When we subtract the 1 and square everything in the square root, we'll have b squared equals 7 minus 1. We'll square root both sides, and we'll have b equals the square root of 6. So now we'll have sine is going to be negative because it's quadrant 4. So we'll have the square root of 6 over the square root of 7. Cosine is going to be positive, so we'll have 1 over the square root of 7. Tangent is going to be that opposite side over the adjacent side, and it's also going to be negative because it is in quadrant 4. Cosecant, we're just flipping that. Secant, we're flipping sine. And cotangent, we're flipping tangent. So that is the answers for tonight's homework. If you have any questions on that, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.